Minecraft. Minecraft ya Minecraft. What is that? Kidding. Receive it. First I will make tools. I'm already know this game Minecraft. 8 woods. I'm making this. Oh, I need more cheats. And oh, you want to see my skin? This is my skin. Iron column. I want to kiss you and everybody. And everybody understand I love you. And no one fucking love you. And you are fucking shit. And look at you again. And you don't know fucking bitch. And I'm tell you, what? You have a fucking girlfriend and you tell me you are fucking shit and tell him I love you, I'm sorry. And you tell him I love you. And I'm fucking tell you I love you. Yeah, I just did all of this because you and no one fucking love me. Cause I need to get wood. Food. And I want you. And now I am with this time. And I want to get you. What is that? Oh, what is that? Ito ano meron to? Ano to? A cow? Is that a cow? Tiny cast. Oh, food. I want food. And I need more wood. And time now fading. Wait. Kita. Oh my god, a cave. I will go there. Later I will go there. First I need wood. And now we need to go because I need to fucking kill another fucking map. And everybody tap. And I will fuck you. And time I will see over me. Okay, time to go here. Hey, I'm so scared. Because I need this. With more this because I need justice. And everybody hate me because you sis. And I love you and you fucking kiss me. And you don't want me because you are bitch. And look at you. And look at me. I hate this game because you hate me. Everybody hate me. Everybody hate me. Time to go to the moon. And time to fucking kill myself. Because I want to bitch. And time will you bitch. And I will fucking waste my wood. Because I love my girlfriend. Because I don't have fucking girlfriend. What I am telling bitch. And I'm just want to fucking replacing all of this. Oh shit, bakit pinaw dalawa? Ang crap dalawa. 2. And I need food. Oh, I don't need food. need to build a fucking house. How I do house. I need to get fucking. This body is so oh, where am I? Oh, okay. Oh my god! This place is so cool. Water. I need different stone to eat. And time, one in time, fucking shit. And everybody want me. Because you fucking want me. Just want to fucking scream. Just want to fucking sing, guys. Okay, don't laugh, okay? Just want to sing. A sheep, but a black one. That's good. Black one. Die. Yeah. Everybody. Thursday. No fucking sure shit. If I see a fucking black. Another black one. Oh. Hi. Come here, black one. Wait, I have some. Did I already killed? Look. Where's it? Where's the fucking shit? It's respawn. I thought I see a black one. Another. A pig. What's up, nigger? Huh, nigger? You. See me, bitch. You don't let. Die. I'm hungry. Wait. I'm full. Oh, look. Why I'm not use this? Okay, I know now how to use this. First, I need more wood to build a house. Wait, I see a wolf. Oh, there. Give it this too. This is just episode 1, guys. And I will make part 2 of this game. The next episode, I will make a house. 2. No, 2 black. You see a black? A black of you. Oh, joke lang. Wait. Oh, wala na comments. Oh, shit. Wait. And boom, Taiwan. If I die, I will fucking kiss myself. If I die, I will fucking kiss myself. Wait. Oh shit! I already know that he give me this. There's a big black sheep. Yo, what? Guys, this is normal or small to? Why is it small? What the fuck? Huh? What? Where is this small? Guys, I see so many huge and only one small thing is this. Oh my god. Huh? Chill, kid. Chill. I don't want to kill you, okay? I already killed your other friends. Oh! Oh! Iron, iron, iron! Iron! Higher something. Higher. Oh! Sabot. Whoop. Without. Meron ba? Wala na. Don't want to go to here. Wait, is that more iron? No, it's not. This is sus. Why it is only 3 small? And everything is huge and this only small? How many blocks is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30! 30 blocks! What the fucks? Well, you are maybe the world's smallest tree I see in Minecraft. Yeah, this is how, guys, I'm not cutest. Oh shit! Someone here? Wait, someone here? Oh yeah, no one here. What the fuck? Huh? This is creepy. Okay, this is all, guys. What is this? Bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Die! I see an animal. Come here. Die! 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 Aktok. This is all, guys. Bye.
Ano gabi ang
Bye bye.
kakapera yan?